I don't want to. I overheard some leaders in Mike Osakome's book launch. So unfortunate. I don't want to reply to things. I heard some leaders say, how can a ward chairman remove a national chairman? No ward chairman remove a national chairman. What the ward did was to suspend you for the party. And in suspending you for the party, can you hold that position? Anga Mamagana wallahi. Simple.
As he go pain them, he go sweet us. As he go sweet us, he go pain them.
You know, you see, people you don't even understand the facts. Okay, you're a family chief. You have become the Ezo Hapara. It's not correct. From Ezo Hapara, they've appointed you as a chairman of River State Agricultural Rulers Council. Not so. And you are telling me that you don't owe loyalty to the family. The family can say, look, you are no longer our chief. Not so. Not so. If you are no longer our chief, can you still be chairman of River State Agricultural Rulers Council? Simple thing, simple arithmetic. You are no longer the family of you are no longer the chief of our family. No, so. What gives you that qualification to be the chairman of River State National Rulers Council? It is, you have been a family chief that now qualifies you. And somebody will be vilifying Supreme Court, vilifying the judiciary. The judiciary is the cause of the crisis in APC, of the crisis in PDP. When there's a problem in a party, people will go and seek for solution, interpretation. My Lord's telling me, by virtue of this and this and this, what they did, is it right or wrong? If it didn't go, would they make any pronouncement? We should praise the judiciary for taking the bull by the horn to say, this is right, this is wrong, and not to verify them. And not to verify them. This chairman you said they suspended, they removed. Were they with you that time? Everybody now, you must fight wicked. Which wicked are you fighting? You people are digging your case.
Updates.